Hey, what's up, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 8 outlet power strip for free so I could check it out and do a video review for you. So I'm sitting here behind my entertainment center now, which is where I installed it because this is where I feel like I could use the most protection for all of my things, right? My TV and games and all that stuff. So I wanted something that was heavy duty to put back here, and they sent me one. So that's really cool. Um, I'm tapping it. Maybe you can hear or tell this is actually a metal housing, so it's really strong and sturdy. So that's really cool. It has this power on-off switch, which is also like the trip switch. So anything that's plugged into here would be controlled by this. So you hit that off, everything turns off. So again, there's 8 outlets here, and then all the way down at the end here, it has 2 USB slots, and then it has this USB-C, which I have my phone charger plugged into. And then just to point out to you, it does come with this hardware pack to do the install. I have really thick plaster walls, so I didn't need to use the anchors. If you have drywall, I would recommend using the anchors, but instead I just use a couple of self tapping screws to screw that through the tabs that's on the housing and into my wall. So nothing special in here. I just screwed it in. I mean, and it's like I said, it's super sturdy. It holds on really good. Um, I'm super impressed by the thickness of the housing, and so far it's done a really good job at handling everything that I've plugged into it. So definitely think it's a good product. I'm happy to have it.